Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Saucijzenbroodje, a minced beef sausage wrapped in puff pastry. This is how we say Saucijzenbroodje. Saucijzenbroodje. And you will hear me pronouncing the N in the middle of the word, but normally we won't do that, so it will sound more like this. Saucijzenbroodje. There is a light emphasis on the second part of the word. Saucijzenbroodje. 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 Or without the N, Saucijzenbroodje. Een Saucijzenbroodje is best eaten warm. I hope this video was helpful. Please help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!